The experience is quite good. It's good to have a hands-on experience, whether it is VR, spacewalk, or whether it is 3D printing, or 3D print, or whether it is just some games. Everything is quite exciting. Like to see the way it's been organized for the small kids to have a better understanding of science, how things work. So I think it's been fantastic. So the thought behind this is, keeping kids off the screen. What happens is the kids these days, we are busy on tab, watching movies or going to game zone. This is edutainment where they get little bit of education, they get little bit of entertainment and they are engaged and parents are happy.